सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारे नु। मेरा नाम है बिपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है And friends, like always, today I again came up with a very nice and handsome property option in Gurgaon, Palam Vihar. And friends, the property which I am going to share with you is in J Block, Palam Vihar, which is a gated society, and the main entrance to this J Block is guarded by security guards. And friends, the property, besides being surrounded by almost all basic amenities like hospitals, schools and local markets, it is also very near to Udyog Vihar, Cyber City and New Delhi. So my friends, without wasting any time, let's hit the road and go to Palam Vihar J Block and check out each and every corner of that property. Let's go, guys. So this is the J block where the property is situated, and the builder name is Ashiana, which we are going to view in this video. And this is the main entry gate to this J block, guarded by this security guard at the main entrance. And so my friends, this is the property which I was talking about, and this is a 4-floor building of which all the above 3 floors are sold. Only this upper ground floor is left. So my friends, let's go inside and explore each and every corner of this particular floor of this property. Let's go. As you can see, this being the main entrance to the stilt floor, and this is the stilt floor of the property. So my friends, this is the stilt floor of the property, and here builder has promised to give 3 vehicle parking space to each floor owner, and at that end there are underground water tanks provided for each floor. And let's go at the back end of the stilt floor and show you the water tanks which are provided with the waterproof electric motors. So these are the water tanks provided. As you can see, 4 water tanks, and it is provided with an waterproof electric motor inside this tank. And besides this, an electric generator is provided by the builder, which ensures you 100% power backup. And now my friends, let's move from this stilt floor to the upper ground floor and explore each and every corner of it, moving into this staircase and lift lobby. And the entrance to this staircase and lift lobby area is through this 8 feet tall lockable door. And here the lift provided by the builder is of Schindler make, as you can see, which is provided with these glass landing doors. Now my friends, from this stilt floor to the upper ground floor I can take this elevator also, but I prefer to go through these stairs because I do not want you to miss the staircase of the property, which is having a very nicely designed railing. So let's go to the upper ground floor through this staircase. So my friends, in this staircase, besides having this beautifully designed railing, there is wide glass opening provided in this staircase. So now friends, moving ahead will bring us to this upper ground floor. So my friends, this being the staircase, and this is the landing door of the lift provided on the upper ground floor. And turning my camera to the right is this 8 feet tall wooden door, which is the main entrance to the floor, and is provided with this Wi-Fi touchscreen biometric scanning smart lock. With this description of smart lock, let's move inside and explore each and every corner of the floor. Friends, before starting exploration of each and every room individually, let me give you an idea that in every room the flooring provided is of Italian marble, except this room, which is provided with this wooden flooring. Also friends, in this 4 BHK apartment, the builder is giving chimney, hob, microwave, oven, air conditioner, geysers, fans, lights, CCTV cameras as a standard fitment. With this brief introduction of this floor, let me start giving you the tour of each and individual room. So starting with this area, which is the lounge area of this floor. My friends, the area where I am standing is the lounge area of this floor, and which is separated from the lobby cum dining room area of this floor with this beautifully designed wooden frame. This is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. let me take a step back and let me show you the entire design. So this is the false ceiling design of the lounge area. Also friends, standing in this lounge area, one thing which you will notice is that adjacent to this main entrance to the floor is this door provided, which is a common washroom. Let's check out this washroom also. So this being the common washroom provided with a fan and a space to keep your toiletries, Jaguar fittings, a mirror provided. So this being the common washroom guys, and now is the time to explore the drawing room of the floor. Friends, the entrance to this drawing room is provided with this framed glass door opening, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this drawing room. And friends, while shooting indoor, I prefer turning on lights of each and every room, but here I don't feel the need because of this. This UPVC toughened glass door opening provided in this drawing room is so wide, so broad that you do not feel the need of turning on the light during the daytime. Such kind of openings provided in the room is something which I really admire, and I think you also do the same, because these openings ensures natural air and natural light to enter inside the house and also keeps us connected with the outdoors while we are sitting inside. And friends, here in this drawing room, these UPVC toughened doors provided will lead us to the front side balcony. So from these doors, let's go outside and explore the front side balcony before exploring other rooms of the floor. And before stepping into this front side balcony, let me tell you that with this UPVC toughened glass door, these wire mesh doors are also provided, which are much needed in order to prevent mosquitoes from entering your house. So now let's step outside, explore the front side balcony. So this is a 6 feet wide front side balcony of the floor, and this is the type of flooring provided over here. This is the design of grill provided in the front side balcony, and this is the outer view from the front side balcony surrounded by lush green trees. And this is the park of J Block, and also here this CCTV camera is placed. This front side balcony can be explored both from the drawing room and the bedroom adjacent to the drawing room. So let's step back from this front side balcony into the drawing room and start the exploration of other rooms. So from this drawing room area, passing this lounge area, will take us to this lobby cum dining room area. So this being the lobby cum dining room area of the floor. So my friends, this being the lobby cum dining room area of the floor, and this is the design of false ceiling, and the space provided on my left can be used as a puja room, and moving further is this dining space where your dining table can be placed. And turning my camera to the left will take us to the modular design kitchen of this floor. So friends, this being the modular design kitchen provided on this floor, and now being in this kitchen, let's start exploring the woodwork provided, the quality of woodwork provided in this kitchen. So starting with the cupboards provided above the slab. These are the spaces provided, cupboard space provided behind these panels. And this is the chimney and hob provided over here in this kitchen. And also you will get microwave oven and dishwasher as a standard fitment as promised by builder. The spaces provided behind these cupboard panels, and turning my camera towards the opposite side, this section is provided with these steel racks to keep your utensils, and this is the dishwashing area. Few more cupboards provided. Plenty of space in this kitchen, and this is the microwave oven section. Now let's start exploring the drawers provided below the slab. So these are the big drawers provided over here. Very smooth in operation, nicely done woodwork with smooth closing, as you can see. This being the bin section, and behind this panel you will see this RO placed over here, which is provided by the builder. Moving ahead, some more space provided over here. Now coming back to this row, space provided, some more cupboards, some more drawers, with soft closing, and this drawer is provided with the cutlery section. These big drawers, very smooth in its operation. So these are all the drawers and the cupboards provided in the kitchen, and this is the UPVC toughened door provided, which is leading us to the backside balcony from this kitchen. So it is also a very good thing provided in this kitchen, because it, besides being ensuring natural light to come inside the kitchen, also ensures the kitchen to be filled with natural air. So from this kitchen area, let's go outside and explore the backside balcony. And friends, this is the backside balcony of the floor, and this is the type of flooring provided over here, and also the area is provided over here in this balcony to wash your clothes. And besides having this backside balcony accessed from the kitchen, it can also be accessed from this bedroom as well as from the master bedroom of the floor. So after exploring the kitchen and the backside balcony, now is the time to start exploring the bedrooms of the floor. So starting the exploration of the bedrooms with this master bedroom. So friends, this being the master bedroom of the floor, provided with this Italian marble flooring and a beautifully designed false ceiling, and these are the cupboards provided in this master bedroom. And now let's check out the space provided behind the panels of these cupboards. So my dear friends, as you can see that this cupboard is provided with a light inside, which can be turned on and off from that switchboard, and these are the drawers provided inside this cupboard. So let's quickly explore this also. So this being the one portion of the cupboard provided in this master bedroom, and this is the other one. Here also these two drawers are provided. So friends, this being our master bedroom of the floor, and it is provided with this attached washroom area. And now let's explore this washroom area as well. So this being the washroom attached to the master bedroom, having the dry and the wet area separated, as you can see, and it is provided with all jacquard fittings, and with this white mirror and a geyser fitted, which I've already told you at the start of the video that geysers, chimneys, hob, microwave oven, dishwasher, air conditioners are provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And this is the type of flooring provided in this washroom, and these are the spaces provided to keep your toiletries. And apart from the cupboards which we have explored in the master bedroom, this is the additional closets provided in the washroom area attached to this master bedroom. So this is the space behind the panels of the closet provided in this washroom area, and the washrooms are provided with the fans, which is much needed during these hot and humid weather conditions. So this being the washroom attached to the master bedroom. And moving out, now let's explore the other bedroom of this floor, which is adjacent to this master bedroom. So this being the second bedroom of the floor, which is also provided with this Italian marble flooring, and is having access to the backside balcony through this UPVC toughened glass doors, which is coupled with these mosquito repellent wire mesh doors. And friends, in this second bedroom, these wardrobes are provided with the sliding panels. So let's see the space provided behind these panels. So closing this panel, and let's explore the other side. So these are the wardrobes provided, and turning my camera to the left is the attached washroom to this bedroom. So this being the attached washroom provided with a separate wet area, all jacquard fittings. The space is provided to keep your toiletries and a wide mirror. So this being the washroom attached to the second bedroom, and from here we have completed the second bedroom, means the master bedroom and the second bedroom of this floor. And now moving from this second bedroom out into the lobby area, and from this lobby area we are stepping into this lounge area, this being the drawing room area of the floor. And these are the two bedrooms which are left to be explored. Of these two bedrooms, this is provided with the Italian marble flooring, whereas this is provided with the wooden tiles. So before exploring this bedroom, let's explore this one. So my friends, this is the third bedroom of the floor, and this is a UPVC toughened glass door opening provided, which leads us from this bedroom to the front side balcony, which we have already explored, so no need to explore it once again. And this is the design of false ceiling provided in this bedroom. Let me take a step back so that you can see it properly. So this being the false ceiling design provided, and these are the wardrobes provided in this third bedroom of the floor with these sliding panels. So let's explore the space also behind these panels, which is similar to what we have explored in other two bedrooms. And now closing this panel and exploring the other one. So this being a bit different from what we have seen in the earlier two bedrooms, and a big drawer, one single drawer is provided over here. So this is the woodwork provided in this third bedroom of the floor. And turning my camera to the opposite side is the washroom, attached washroom to this floor, which is again having a separate wet area provided with geyser, fan, space to keep your toiletries, and with all jacquard fittings. So with this I have completed the third bedroom of this floor. So now stepping out of this third bedroom, let's explore the last part of this floor, which is the fourth bedroom. So my friends, in this last and the fourth bedroom of the floor, this wooden flooring is provided, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this bedroom. And this being the attached washroom to this bedroom. So let's explore this also. So friends, this being the attached washroom to the fourth bedroom of the floor, and this is provided with this separate wet area, and is provided with a space to keep your toiletries, all jacquard fittings, geyser installed, fan provided, some more space to keep your toiletries, and wardrobes. So let's explore the space behind these panels. So this being the wardrobe provided in the fourth bedroom, basically the washroom, attached washroom to the fourth bedroom. And now moving out, with this I have shared each and every corner of this floor with all of you. And if any of you are interested in purchasing this floor, you can contact me. The number of mine is flashing on the screen. And now friends, talking about the price of this floor. The price of this floor is 2.85 crore, which is not negotiable. And since I have told you that of this 4-floor property, only one floor is left, other 3 floors are already sold. So if you like the layout of the floor, then don't delay your proceedings and call me immediately so that I can fix up your meeting with the builder and become the owner of this property. And friends, if you found the content shown in this video valuable and you like the layout of the floor, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. So with this, I Bipin Pal Singh signing off for today with a promise to meet you again, new video and a new property option. Till then, take care of yourself, your family and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.